Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ahmed. Today I'm going to show you how to fold this new flasher, and it is called the Baby Easy Oscillating Flasher. It is called the Oscillating Flasher because the square, instead of spinning, just rotates slightly back and forth like this. And it is a small flasher, so it is called a baby, and it is also easy to fold. That's why it is called easy. So I don't know who designed this. I saw two tutorials on the internet on this flasher, and one is from JeremyShaferOrigami, and another one is from a channel called Green Art 4. I will link those tutorials in the description so you can check them out. So yeah, I'm going to teach you how to fold this flasher. So all you need to fold this flasher is an 6 by 6 inch square paper. If you have thin paper, you can use that, because the thinner the paper is, the better the flasher will be. And if you don't have this square paper, you can just cut one out of a A4 paper. So yeah, let's get started. First, let's fold this edge to this edge. Then crease sharply, then open it back up and fold this edge to this center crease. And then do the same thing on the other side. So you should have something like this, and now you have to fold this edge to this edge. Like this, and then flip the paper over and do the same thing on the other side. And then crease it sharply. And then flip the paper over and fold this edge to the center crease. Then flip the paper over and do the same thing. And then flip the paper over and fold on this crease. So you should have something like this. So now flip the paper over so these flaps are sticking out, are facing up and not facing down like this. And now we're going to reverse all of these creases. So to reverse these creases, we are going to fold two rectangles up like this. Okay, we're going to fold on this crease. Okay, fold two rectangles and then fold down one rectangle, and then do the same thing. Fold two rectangles, then fold down one rectangle, fold two rectangles, fold down one rectangle, and the last one you can just flip it over like this and just fold on this crease like this. So we have all of these creases, and now we're going to hold our paper like this, so all of these creases are vertical instead of horizontal. And it doesn't matter if these two flaps are facing up or facing down. You need to have your lines vertical. And now you need to do all of that all over again. Okay, and I'm going to now fast forward this part, but if you can't do this part again without help, you can just skip to this time. Okay, so let's start. So now we have all these squares right over here. So now we've made an 8 by 8 grid. So there are 8 squares over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 8 squares here, 8 squares here, and 8 squares here. So it's called a 8 by 8 grid. But we need to turn this 8 by 8 grid into a 7 by 7 grid. So we're going to just fold this rectangle down and fold this rectangle down like this. So now we have a 7 by 7 grid. So now we're going to rotate the paper so it's a diamond shape instead of a square shape. And now we are going to fold this corner to this point right over here. But we're not going to fold all the way. We have all of these triangles right over here. So we're going to fold this triangle over here, and then skip one triangle and fold this triangle over here, then skip one triangle and fold this triangle over here, and then open it up like this, turn the paper like this, and then do the same thing. I'm going to fold this corner to this point, and then fold this triangle, fold this triangle, fold this triangle, and then skip this triangle, okay? And open it back up and do all of that on the rest of the sides. And now I'm going to fast forward. So after you do all of that, we're going to fold this corner to this point right over here. Not this point and not this point, this point right over here. And we're not going to fold all the way. We're just going to fold the middle triangle, okay? We're just going to fold the middle triangle and then open it back up. And now we have this square right over here. It's the middle square. And we have this point of the middle square, okay? We're going to fold this corner to that point, and then just fold the middle triangle, and then open it back up and just fold this square in half like this. Then do the same thing over here. I'm going to fold it to here, and then crease the middle triangle, fold it to the middle square, and crease this triangle, and then just fold this square in half, and do all of that on the other side. And now I'm going to fast forward. So now we have this right over here, and we have this middle square over here. I'm going to just mark it out with a pen so you guys can see. The middle square is right over here, okay? And we have this top edge right over here. We're going to extend the top edge right over here. So we're just going to fold on this crease, and also we're going to fold on this crease. So we're extending this edge, and we're going to fold on this crease and fold on this crease right over here. So now we're going to crease right over here, okay? Crease on this points like this. So we should have something like this, okay? And now we're going to try to twist this square like this, okay? With the help of these creases right over here, we're going to twist the square like this, and then we have this part right over here. We're going to pop up this part right over here, and then fold on this part, fold on this part, and fold on this part. And now we're going to just close the flasher like this. So we have these rectangles around the middle square, and on the back side it should look like this. And now we're going to twist the middle square again like this with the help of these creases. So we should have something like this. And now we're going to pop up this crease right over here, and then pop up this crease, pop up this crease, and pop up this crease right over here. And then we're going to try to close it again like this. It is kind of tricky, so try to do it perfectly. So we should have these small rectangles around this square, and we have these flaps, so we're going to just fold on this flaps right over here, and then we're going to twist it again with the help of these creases. Okay, with the help of these creases. So you should have something like this. And now your flasher is done. And now I'm going to teach you how to hold the flasher. So you need to hold the flasher like this, and have your thumb over here, and we have these two fingers. We're going to hold it like this, hold this flap like this, and we have these two fingers. We're going to hold it like this, and then with the thumb and these two fingers, we're going to just close it like this and just pull it open like this. You see the square rotates, and then close it like this and close it like this. So yeah, that is the flasher. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. If you liked my video, please give it a like, and also subscribe to my channel and click that bell button so you get notified every single time I upload a brand new video. So yeah, see you in the next video. Bye.